guys, how are you all? I'm here with another video. Those are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well, today I'm going to make North Indian chicken recipe. It's like normal chicken recipe that everyone cooked it, but today I'm going to show you a trick. In North Indian chicken recipe there is a trick that I follow, so today I'm going to show you that. So guys, let's start cooking. First we'll add the masalas for marination. This is turmeric powder, chicken masala, red chili powder, jeera powder, half spoon, and dhania powder. And we'll add this ginger and garlic paste, and salt. Okay, no, not black pepper also we should add. Now add mustard oil also. All the masalas are mixed properly. Now we will cover it and keep at least like 1 hour. You should keep aside for marination. बस इतना सही. We have already added oil for marination also. The oil is heated. First we will add this long, elaichi, dalchini, add green chilies. It's just 3-4 pieces. Now we'll add curry pata. Two big size onion. We will fry it till the onion change its color. Now we'll add these tomatoes. It's medium size, 3 pieces of tomatoes. Here you can add a little bit of chicken masala, just a little bit. And little bit turmeric powder. This is a marinated chicken. Now we will add this here. Give it a good stir. Wow, it looks so lovely. Well guys, I've been frying the chicken like 10 minutes. Now we'll add water. It's a normal North Indian chicken recipe. But the trick is that don't add the water all at once. What I do, just little by little, you should add the water. Yeah, this much, and use only hot water. So keep the flame in medium and we'll fry it. But remember that the water shouldn't dry. We should stir it time to time also. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Remember, this is the second time I'm going to add the water. This process of cooking will make the chicken curry taste so different. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water, more water. So remember, this is the third time I'm adding water, and before adding the water, you shouldn't dry all the water also. Okay guys, our chicken curry is done. Now it's ready to serve and I'm going to eat very nicely. Wow. This is my chicken curry and this is palak. Actually today I boiled this palak in aloo, tomato and chili powder. Little bit different recipe. So अभी खाएंगे. It's still hot. Wow, this chicken curry is so tasty. And the curry leaves makes the chicken curry more tastier. Palak ka boil. देखो यहाँ curry leaves. This recipe is more tastier than the normal North Indian chicken recipe. Like I said, you should follow my tricks. Then only you get this kind of taste. I hope today I am chewing my rice. आज तो मैं खाना पूरा खा के दिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को. Today in chicken there was no gizzard and liver also. Oh my god, I was so angry. I don't know how my husband forgot to bring gizzard and liver. Chicken without gizzard and liver is like क्या कहेंगे? A word without any vowels. How you can pronounce without any vowels? So chicken without gizzard and liver is, I don't know. इसके बहाने मैं और कल भी चिकन ले सकती हूँ मैं. No liver and no gizzard in chicken. I hope he can hear me. See this bone. I'm going to enjoy this bone. You don't need any extra gravy. Yes, चिकन का जो मसाला है वो राइस में मिला के खा सकते हैं. I hope I'm really chewing my rice, because last time so many people said that I didn't chew my rice also. ऐसा chew करूँगी. Oh God. It's hot, but I'm enjoying. Oh. It's almost going to over. बहुत टेस्टी है आज का चिकन रेसिपी. See, it's all over. Now only bones are remaining. आप लोगों के सामने भी नहीं खाऊंगी ये. Oh God. Well guys, I really enjoyed this chicken recipe. मैंने इतना सारा खा भी लिया. Well guys, if you like watching this video, please don't forget to give a like, or don't forget to share it with your friends, family members, and with everyone. And also don't forget to hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get a notification. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Oh my god, I'm burping. And also please follow me on Instagram also, and Becky makes stuff. I'll be happy if you follow me on Instagram also. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.